Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove product category counters in WooCommerce shop loop pages. If you've noticed those little numbers next to your product categories and want a cleaner look for your store, this tutorial will show you exactly how to get rid of them using a simple code snippet. First, open a browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're accessing the WordPress account that's connected to your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be making all the necessary changes. Now, to remove those product category counters from your WooCommerce shop loop pages, start by clicking on Plugins in the left navigation menu. When you do this, an expanded list of options will appear. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin installation area where you can enhance your WooCommerce functionality. From the Plugins page, you'll see all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Here, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in snippets. From the search results that appear, look specifically for code snippets. This is a powerful plugin that allows you to add custom code to your WordPress site without editing theme files directly. Click on More Details to see the overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. Once you're comfortable with what it does, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient as WordPress processes everything. Once the installation is finished, you'll see the button change to Activate, so go ahead and click on it. Once the Code Snippets plugin is activated, look at the left navigation menu again and click on Snippets. You'll be directed to the Snippets Management page where you can create and manage all your custom code. From here, look for the Add New button located at the top part of your screen and click it. You'll be presented with a code editor interface where you can add your custom snippet. I'll be flashing a line of code on screen that you can copy to remove the product category counters in WooCommerce shop loop pages. You can pause the video now to accurately copy this code and paste it into the editor. This code specifically targets the category counter display and removes it from your shop pages. Once you've added the code, simply click on Save and Activate on the right side panel to make the changes live. And that's it. You've successfully removed the product category counters from your WooCommerce shop loop pages. Your store should now have a cleaner, more streamlined appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.